Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present scrambled eggs. While I'll include my recipe, this is more of a how-to video than a recipe video. Sit back and relax and let me show you how easy it is to make restaurant quality, creamy and silky scrambled eggs. Let's get started. For the recipe portion of the video, I'll be using 6 large eggs, about 1/4 cup of heavy cream, some salt, ground black pepper, about 1 tablespoon of dried chives, just a little bit of cayenne pepper, and a healthy amount of hot sauce. Beat with a whisk until the yolks and whites are fully incorporated. To get the best results, it's important to use a good non-stick skillet like this Misen or something comparable. A good skillet is important as it evenly distributes the heat throughout the pan, not just on the bottom. Start with the fire off in a room temperature pan. Pour the eggs into the pan and turn the heat to just below medium-low. Use a non-metal flat-edge spatula and gently drag the edge along the bottom as you stir. You'll need to stir throughout the entire cooking process. This is what your eggs should look like after about 2.5 minutes. After about another 2 minutes, you'll begin to see the eggs slowly solidifying. After about 7 minutes of cooking, the eggs will thicken more like this. At this time, reduce the heat to low and continue to cook and stir. Now we've reached the point where you're going to be the decision maker and decide how much further you want to tighten the eggs. I'll cook mine just a little bit more. This texture is just about where I like it. Serve hot. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my creamy and silky scrambled eggs tutorial. Now you too can make restaurant quality eggs in under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.